In this video I'm going to show you how to install a plugin onto your WordPress site. So I usually start here in the WordPress.org plugin directory. I find it's easier to search and kind of check out the plugins here as opposed to from inside my dashboard. So I already know what plugin I'm going to look for this purpose. So we're going to do WP Touch, which is a plugin that allows you to optimize your site for use in a smartphone. And when you go into the plugin site, you get to learn all kinds of cool stuff about it, how many people have downloaded it, the ratings, installation, screenshots, all of that good stuff. This plugin has been downloaded over 3.5 million times, so I'm going to say it's a pretty safe bet that this is a good plugin. So now we're going to go over to my dashboard, and we're going to click on Plugins, Add New, and wait for the screen to come up, and then we're going to search for a plugin right here, WP Touch, search plugins, and here it is. Just a word of caution, a lot of times a lot of different plugins are called very similar things, so make sure you know what you're getting before you start downloading things. And I usually just go here to details and double check that this is really what I want. Yep, the 3.5 million times makes my WordPress site into an application for my smartphone. So then we're going to click on Install Now. Yes, I'm sure I really want to install this plugin, and it goes through its thing, keeps going through its thing, unpacking, installing, and it successfully installed the plugin. So now we're going to activate the plugin. And here we're back in our list of all of our installed plugins, and here we go, WP Touch. And a lot of times your plugins will have settings for them, and you can reach them a lot of times either through this list of plugins here by clicking on settings, or a lot of times they'll be up here. So let's go to WP Touch. And this brings up the settings for this particular plugin. I'm not going to go through all these because that's not the point, is to set up WP Touch itself. It was just to show you how to install a plugin. On the chance that you install something and you just don't really like the way that it works or whatever, uninstalling is very simple as well. You go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, and scroll down to find the plugin you want to uninstall. First you have to deactivate it. So if you're not sure if you really want to delete it, you can just deactivate it and kind of let it sit in the background. And then once it's deactivated, if you decide that you really do want to delete it, just click on Delete. And yes, we're going to delete these files. And there you go. It has been completely wiped from your site, and you are good to go. Thanks.